Introducing the latest from Motorola, the Moto G Stylus 5G 2024. Set to hit the shelves on May 30th in the US, this sleek device will be available unlocked for $399.99, offering a tantalizing choice between caramel latte and scarlet wave colors. Meanwhile, our friends up north in Canada can snag it exclusively from Motorola at Canadian $499.99 initially, with wider availability to follow. Now, let's dive into the top 5 features of the Moto G Stylus 2024. First up, the star of the show, the stylus. While it may not rival Samsung's S Pen, Motorola has upped its game with a redesigned stylus boasting a larger contact area and reduced latency. They've even jazzed up the software, promising a seamless note-taking experience and easier access to stylus features. Plus, with OCR support, you can even transform your handwritten notes into digital text with a snap. And who doesn't love wireless charging? The Moto G Stylus 2024 brings 15 watt of wireless charging to the table, catering to the growing legion of wireless charging fans out there. Now, about display. It gets a stunning 6.7-inch 10-bit POLED display, a significant upgrade from its LCD predecessor. Sporting a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a lightning-fast 240Hz touch sampling rate, coupled with a peak brightness of 1200 nits, this display is truly an upgrade. But wait, there's more. Say hello to the eco-conscious vegan leatherback. Not only does it contribute to a greener planet, but its smooth texture also wards off pesky fingerprints and smudges, keeping your device looking pristine and definitely durable than your pricey glass back. Last but not least, the 3.5mm headphone jack. In a world where many brands are ditching this beloved feature for the sake of slimness, the Moto G Stylus 2024 stays true to its roots, catering to audiophiles who prefer the wired connection. So these were the 5 features that we loved in the latest Moto G Stylus phone, but the question remains, do these features justify spending your hard-earned cash? Sound off in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. Until next time, peace out.